today we made world's largest edible squishy!
So we're going to be talking a little bit about the squishy.
So we inspired it off of the
Panda bun.
and it weighs
Like 10 pounds, so it's kind of heavy to hold.
so all of us are gonna hold it. Oh, I hope. Okay. So
have you tried a giant squishy?
like we said, it was 10 pounds, so it was hard to pick it up. And what we use to make the squishy is powdered sugar, corn syrup,
Sugar,
yeah, and
gelatin.
icing, well, black and white icing,
It looks like it's brown, but it's black.
and water. Also mixed in with the powdered sugar and gelatin. And we also used a mixer. So this is, if you can see, has that texture on top to make it look like panda fur. So this is up close so you can see the slow risingness. So if you push it down,
And then you can see how we tried to make it
furry.
Yeah.
So and then if you go like that,
It's really squishy.
yeah, it's really squishy, and it's practically kind of like a marshmallow texture.
Yeah.
So we found a recipe on Pinterest that we use to make the marshmallow for the base of the whole squishy, which is a DIY marshmallow. So basically this is a big 10-pound marshmallow turned into an edible panda bun squishy, which is slow rising, so that's why I think it's pretty cool because it's slow rising.
And the panda bun is my favorite squishy.
Yeah, and I was actually pretty surprised to see that it would be slow rising. I thought it was gonna be like fast rising, like if you press it down, it would just come straight up. But surprisingly, it's actually just like slow rising, like a regular squishy would be.
It barely even breaks. Like it doesn't even break. Like a real squishy.
Practically, it is a real squishy. It's squishable, so it's a squishy.
Everythingable. I can't wait to take a bite.
So the part you probably all been waiting for is
Drum roll,
please. So we are going to take a bite. So. Try and take it away from me. So good. It's hard to take a bite out of it. Sorry guys, we're really hungry. This is hard. Oh.
Ow. It's alive. You got it up my nose.
Look at Alea. Try to take a bite, Serenity.
No.
Look, this ear's good.
Keep them extra.
Oh, this is hard to pick up. Look at our hands. Look
Is it
at my
heavy?
face. Look at Serenity's hands. I'm the cleanest.
I'm messy. You have powdered sugar all over your chin.
Try that. To me?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Jiggling.
Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly.
Ooh. Jiggle it. Jiggly, 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 jiggly. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Comment down below if you have any squishy videos that you want to request. See you guys next time.